Look at her. She really thinks she's something. What you got, Dandy? Oh, look at her protecting that shirt. Is that your shirt? Is that your shirt? Huh? Is that your shirt? Oh, look at you. Boy, don't you think you're something? Little badass. What are you doing? What are you doing? If you chew your shirt up, you won't have nothing to wear. What? What you got? Oop. Poor Fergie. Poor Fergie. Oh, look at you. Aren't you a mess? My poor couch. My poor couch. What you got, Dandy? What you got, Dandy? I think Dandy likes Fergie. She never sits still. That's one wild baby. Look at she's trying to get her shirt. Fergie's laying on it. Dandy, hey, that's not agreeable. Hey, I'm going to tell you something. You got to behave yourself. Who are you growling at? Who are you growling at? I'm going to take it. Let's see how you like that. Hey. No. No. Yeah, I think that's what got her in trouble. Her acting like that. Her shirt go over there. She's so funny.